Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to set up WhatsApp on Manychats. If you want to automate your business on WhatsApp, then you can use Manychats, and I'll show you how you can set it on WhatsApp. So just go to a browser, search for Manychats. You will be onto its website. Make sure you go with the Facebook to sign up because it will be helpful to get your WhatsApp as well. So you have to click on continue with Facebook, and after that this page will open where you have to connect your Meta business account. If you don't have it, then you have to first create and then simply connect it. It will show you your account. You have to simply make sure which business account you want it to be connected. Make sure the same one has also your WhatsApp. If not, then that's not the issue. We will be able to do it later on. So you just have to simply go through all these options through which you will connect your Meta business account, and after that it will take you to this page. Now once you're here, on the left side you can see we have the option for settings. Click onto it and you will see WhatsApp here. Click onto it, and after that you have to click on connect. After that you have to click on continue. Once you click on continue, then you will be able to connect your WhatsApp through which you can automate your business. Then you have to go with this option, proceed with your own number. Then it will open like this. It will ask you to again log in with your Facebook account, so you just have to simply log in. Then it will show you this page. Here you will have your business profile name, which is from your Facebook, and in your business name you have to add your WhatsApp business name, whatever name you want to add it, and then you have to select the location. And once you have selected location, make sure you add the one in which your business is currently working, because if you do it in a different region or country, it may cause issue. After that it will just take a while into the process, and it will take you to this next page. Here you have to click on the first option, which is create a new WhatsApp business profile, and click on next. Then it will just take a while, and then you have to add your business details. Here you have to make sure your business name and your display name that is on WhatsApp should be similar. Otherwise, there could be some issues later on. And you can also choose the category for your business and click on next. After that, you have to click on this option, create a new number. Choose the country code and enter the phone number on which you want to create the WhatsApp, and choose the option to get the message. Then you just have to review all of the information that you have added and send your request. And once your request gets approved, then you will be able to connect the WhatsApp with Manychats, and then you can automate the task. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.